Hi everybody, this is Yuka. Today I'm going to talk about how to get protein and fat for vegan keto diet. I was doing keto diet for about 2 years until I found I have breast cancer. And also I was even doing MEC diet, which is only eats meat and egg and cheese. But I found out that I have breast cancer in 2018, and ever since I cut back a lot of meat eating and become towards to the vegan. And now I'm trying vegan keto diet for 98% of time. I still fail 2% of time, but it's been doing great. So I really feel great doing keto vegan diet. My head is really clear and I get really motivated and I have productive day. So I really love doing keto vegan diet. Today, I like to introduce how I think how to take proteins and fat in daily basis. So this is a huge difference between keto diet and vegan keto diet. Mostly it's really hard to get protein and the fat from the vegetables. So I calculate myself in Excel sheet what I usually drink and what kind of stuff I need for breakfast. I do intermittent fasting, so I don't eat until later. I usually make window time for eating time about 6 to 8 hours a day. So it depends on when you wake up and when you go to bed. Usually if you get up about 7 o'clock in the morning, I would eat breakfast/lunch in 1 to 2 o'clock. And then you can eat until 7 to 9 o'clock. Actually, this is the drink I drink every morning. This has about 2 cups of black tea and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. I usually take about 2 teaspoons amount of MCT oil. I can't really take a lot of MCT oil. It makes my stomach mess up. So this is great. So this can fill me up for a few hours until lunchtime, which makes 23.3 fat and 1.4 carbs, no protein at all. For my calculation, I needed 93 grams of fat a day. So if I drink this and also another 2 more drinks with coconut oil, 1 tablespoon in it, it will be about 60 grams of fat. So I still need about 30 grams of fat. So what I'm going to do, I can take 3 tablespoons almond butter whenever hungry, or I eat the fat bombs to make up for the 30 grams of fat. So that's really easy. 3 fat drink a day and either 3 tablespoons of almond butter or fat bomb. That's how I do it. And the protein wise, the half of block of tofu has 21.35 grams of protein and 100 grams of tempeh has 19 grams of protein. So I usually think about this. I need 53 grams of protein a day. So I usually try to measure is either 1 block of tofu a day or half block of tofu a day and 100 grams of tempeh. But if you don't like the soy product too much, you can do pea protein powder. And I recommend it to start it from small amount and combine with different protein if you can. When you eat the salad, the 2 tablespoons nutritious yeast actually have 8 grams of protein. And also 3 tablespoons hemp seed has a 9.5 grams of protein as well. So if you think about this, if you eat salad twice, you put 1 tablespoon nutritious yeast per salad and 1.5 tablespoon of hemp seed. That already gives you 17.5 grams of protein. That's a very good amount of protein. If I eat half block of tofu and 100 grams tempeh, that gives me almost 40 grams of protein. So I just have to figure out rest of 13 grams of protein, which is easily covered up with nutritious yeast and hemp seed. Also, 1 gram of kale has 2 grams of protein. 5 medium mushroom has 5 grams of protein. 1 medium broccoli stalk also have 5 grams of protein too. So the conclusion about the protein, my advice to have kale, mushroom, and broccoli, and half tofu with 100 grams of tempeh. And if you don't like the soy product, you can simply take a protein made out with pea. That make up a really easy protein sources. So that's that. I hope this information can help you and easy to make your meal every time. So I like to have some more information discussed with you guys. If you like this topic, and please hit the subscribe buttons. Please hit the like button too. I'll see you soon again. Alright, bye bye.